Seems like your husband leaves really angry a lot. Are you okay? Or it's kind of crazy that you refer to all of those surgeries that you keep having to have as vacations. Are you doing all right? Are you getting a break?
You ready for this one? This one's so terrible it sounds fake. I needed to have my thyroid removed. The only problem was my husband was in one of his "I hate you, you ruined my life, I'm leaving you" places. So I came to him and I told him that I needed to have this surgery, and I told him when it was. And he let me know in no uncertain terms that he would not care for me at all. He would not bring me drinks. He would not make me any food. He wouldn't clean up my house. He wouldn't bring me the children or kitties to visit. Nothing. The only thing that he would do would be watch the kids in my house while I recovered. Fine. So I dragged up the old 50-year-old mini fridge from the basement and put it in my bedroom, prepped everything, prepped the kids so that they'd know where I was when I was gone for a night. And my real estate agent drove me to the hospital at 5 a.m., dropped me off outside, and I went and had my thyroid removed. I had one blissful day where nobody wanted anything from me but pee and a hearty post-surgery fart. My first night back at home, the children had been in several times requesting things from me. It's crazy because my husband's parenting style of the back of my head while I do what I want on the computer, it's just absolutely crushing it. So I was super enjoying all of the rest so that I could recover well while the kids were grabbing drinks and snacks out of the mini fridge that I had set up for myself. It's all going swimmingly. What I wanted to do was lock the keyed lock that I had put on my door so that I could actually sleep, but I knew that the kids were being neglected, so... So then he started having severe stomach pains, and it took everything in my body to not punch him as hard as I could in the gut. So he ends up at the ER, and an emergency appendectomy had to happen. And after the appendectomy, he came to my house to recover and expected me to care for him while recovering from surgery myself and taking care of 2 children and 4 cats, one of which kept having excessive diarrhea against one specific wall, and I was investigating that heavily. And you know what I did? I did it. I cared for the son of a because I'm a person and he's a person and he was in pain and weak. And I put little stickers on his medication bottles and made him a little chart of when he's supposed to take what. He's a baby. And I brought him water and I brought him food and I shooed the particularly whiny children away to the not here zone so that he won't hurt. So that he won't yell and hurt his insides. And I made sure he had enough blankets on the couch and offered the bed because, I was 3 days out from surgery and he was only 2 days out from surgery. And I only stopped caring for him when I happened to find out that he was cheating with 2 different women when a text popped up on his phone while I was giving him his medicine. So apparently separating to improve ourselves means just finger bang city. And you know what? He didn't take his medication properly after that because he's a helpless man baby.